Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2023 Can-Am Maverick XRC. We just installed the bent metal front windshield, rear window, electric wiper kit, as well as their washer fluid kit. Wanted to show you a little bit about the kits, how they look and how they work. So starting off with the windshield itself, what do we love about this windshield? Automotive glass, not going to scratch like a Lexan or polycarbonate. You also have the ability to get you some airflow. So you can see along here, you've got some vents. And you can change up the color of the vents. You can also change up the color of the windshield frame itself. This customer went with all black to match the theme of the vehicle. Now, all you're going to do, loosen up this knob, slide the vent into whichever position you want. Say it's cool in the mornings, you want those vents all the way shut. Begins to heat up during the day, you need you some airflow, no problem. Just open it up just like that. Passenger does not want airflow on them, no problem. Driver does, no problem. How does it attach? So you've got some Velcro straps along the side and up along the top, okay? Very easy to install. You're gonna wanna make sure you tuck that under the back side of the plastics here on the X3. The wiper kit. So you can do the wiper kit with or without the washer fluid kit. They are two separate part numbers. It is electric. This is the new version. So we've got the wiper down here. We're going to rotate it up to low or high. What is nice about this, look at the coverage on that. Got what, 180 degrees of coverage there. Way better than the old version. We absolutely love the new updated kit. There's your squirter there. We're not going to squirt it. We don't want water everywhere. And we've got the built-in dome light. That's all part of the windshield wiper kit. The squirter kit mounts down here. All right, so you've got the tank down here. The squirt nozzles there. They are adjustable. To install this, you do need to reverse the shocks, the left on the right on the left, in order to get that shock or the washer tank mounted up down there. But it's tucked in out of the way, looks really nice, functions really well from bent metal. Then we've got the back window. Again, what do we love about this one? It looks awesome. For one, it is glass. For number two, it does have a very easy installation process. Again, those Velcro straps along the sides and the top, and you've got the ability to get you some airflow. So you kick open those vents in the front, you kick open the vent in the back, and it's going to provide that nice, cool airflow to get by you and the passenger. 435-427-3338. You can check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Give us a call or shoot us a text. We're happy to take care of you either way. The bent metal windshields are made in the USA. Have a great day, everybody.